New research shows that upskilling is given insufficient priority in the UK, and workers are dangerously complacent about their skill levels. Polling conducted by Opinium shows the gap between the skills employers require and the skills the workforce possesses has significantly worsened since 2020. The research conducted by Opinium found that 82% of SME employers have identified skills gaps within their organization in the past 12 months when this question was last polled. In 2020, the figure was 65%, so the skills gap has become significantly worse in that period. For over a decade, the UK has struggled to raise its productivity compared to its competitors in the US, Germany, and France without plugging the skills gaps in the workforce. This pattern will mean a continuation of weak economic performance and depressed real wage growth. Sadly, the research indicates that upskilling is not a priority in the UK. Since the start of 2022, just 1 in 3 SME employees have undertaken any skills, training, or professional development. 67% of SME employees feel they already have the appropriate skills to perform their job effectively, and 62% do not see their lack of skills training and professional development as a barrier to progressing in their job or career. There is also a mismatch between the skills employers are looking for and the skills employees think would be effective at increasing their productivity. 25% of employers need a workforce with more numeracy and financial literacy skills. Only 5% of employees think developing these skills would increase their productivity. 40% of employers are looking for workers with more digital skills, but only 23% of workers think acquiring these skills would increase their productivity. 25% of employers want workers with better literacy skills, such as reading, writing, and communicating with others. A mere 2% of workers think developing these skills would increase their productivity. Andrew Harding, FCMA, CGMA, Chief Executive, Management Accounting at the Association of International Certified Professional Accountants, representing AICPA and CHIMA, said, "The UK is falling behind our global competitors because the workforce lacks the skills a modern economy needs. Without developing these skills, there will be no improvement in productivity, which is vital for generating real economic growth, and the improvement in living standards that would come with it." Sadly, the findings of our Mind the Skills Gap research show that things are currently heading in the wrong direction. This research should be a wake-up call for business leaders, employees, and policymakers who urgently need to work together to address the UK's productivity woes, attitudes to learning, and the widening skills gap.
In the heart of the Isles, where dreams take flight, our schools stand tall, beacons of light, from north to south, in every town. Education's a key, let's wear the crown.
Oh, let's support our schools in the UK. Together we'll build a brighter way, inspire young minds, let knowledge soar. Hand in hand, we'll open every door.
With teachers who care and passion so bold, we nurture the seeds of future untold, from nursery rhymes to the books profound. In each child's heart, wisdom is found.
Oh, let's support our schools in the UK. Together we'll build a brighter way, inspire young minds, let knowledge soar. Hand in hand, we'll open every door.
Invest in the classrooms, the tools they need for learning to flourish, for hearts to be freed.
Through
arts and sciences, talents will gleam. In unity, we'll chase every dream. Let's bridge the gaps where inequality lies. Provide equal chances. Let every child rise. And no matter the background, the future is clear. With education's embrace, there's nothing to fear. Oh, let's support our schools in the UK. Together we'll build a brighter way, inspire young minds, let knowledge soar. Hand in hand, we'll open every door. So let's stand together, a nation's embrace, a chorus of voices, a song of grace.
With
With love for learning,
we'll
we'll pave the way,
supporting
our schools,
come
come
what
what
may.
may.